Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get your phrase on Trust Wallet. First, open your Trust Wallet application. Look for the Settings icon, usually found in the bottom right corner of your screen. Tap on it to access the main Settings menu. This is where you'll find the options to manage your wallet and its security features, which is our next step. Once in Settings, tap on Wallets. Here, you'll see a list of your active wallets. Select the specific wallet for which you need the recovery phrase. Next, look for an option such as Show Recovery Phrase or Manual Backup. The app will then prompt you to confirm your identity, perhaps with a passcode or a biometric scan, to ensure your security. After viewing your phrase, it is crucial to secure it immediately. Write down all 12 words on a physical piece of paper. Store this paper in a safe, private place, like a fireproof safe or a secure deposit box. Never take a screenshot or store your phrase digitally, as this makes it vulnerable to hackers. Remember, anyone with this phrase can access your funds. Your recovery phrase is the master key to your crypto assets. If you ever lose your device or need to reinstall the app, this phrase is what you'll use to restore full access to your wallet and all your funds. Always remember its immense value and keep it absolutely private. For more great deals and to check out the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum, be sure to look in the description below this video.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.